How y'all doing today? Alright, so we doing a Protex 803 for the gym 1K giveaway. Congratulations, my man. So, I don't know a whole lot about this lock. I just know it's a little 5-pin wafer lock that I found at a garage sale. Paid a couple of bucks for it. Pretty neat little lock. Made in Hong Kong. It works. It's just finicky. As you can see, just got to be careful with it because I tried to close it earlier, and if you can't tell, she's kind of starting to come apart up in here. So we're gonna be careful with it, but let's get it. All right, and there she goes. All right, Jim, congratulations again, and this is my entry for the giveaway. Y'all have a good one.